Folding bikes are designed to save space, but a new model from South Korea is trying to do much more than that. The Tetra, created by Analog Machine Works, combines a striking design with features that make it stand out from almost every other folding bike on the market. The first thing you'll notice is its unique frame. Instead of a traditional design, the Tetra uses a long tubular space frame with two interconnected tetrahedron shapes. This clever engineering allows the bike to fold in 4 different sections, creating a compact package while also improving frame stability. The result is a folding bike that looks as much like a piece of modern art as it does a daily commuter. Unlike many popular folding bikes that use 16-inch wheels, the Tetra rides on larger 20-inch wheels. That means a smoother and more comfortable ride, especially on rough roads and uneven pavement. Another feature that really sets it apart is the rear suspension. Instead of relying on a simple rubber or plastic block like many folding bikes, the Tetra uses a hydraulic shock absorber with adjustable damping. This gives riders a much more refined and comfortable experience, especially during longer rides. The frame is made from durable chrome molybdenum steel and comes equipped with a custom crankset, a Shimano 9-speed drivetrain, and Shimano disc brakes for reliable stopping power. When it's time to store the bike, the Tetra folds into a compact shape with a built-in hook that keeps the wheels locked together. It weighs around 13 kilograms, so while it's not the lightest folding bike available, it should still be easy enough for most people to carry. Small transport wheels also let you roll the folded bike instead of lifting it, making it much more convenient in train stations, offices, or apartment buildings. Analog Machine Works has been developing the Tetra since 2021, earning several design awards along the way. Now the company is preparing for mass production in South Korea and has launched the bike through a Kickstarter campaign. The introductory price is set at $2,390, significantly lower than its expected retail price of $3,990. Shipping costs vary depending on the destination, and as with any crowdfunding project, it's worth remembering that there are always some risks involved, especially since this is the company's first Kickstarter campaign. While there are less expensive folding bikes with similar gear setups, very few can match the Tetra's eye-catching design or offer a true rear suspension system. For riders looking for something that's both practical and unique, this could be one of the most interesting folding bikes we've seen in a long time.